In today's video, I am using handmade designer bowls from Origin. This is not a sponsored video. Please check the description section regarding the details about Origin. Today I'll be preparing rolled omelette, a nutritionally rich snack that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Please check the description section for the details regarding the ingredients. First, I'll chop the required amount of veggies needed for the recipe. Then I'll crack open the eggs in a mixing bowl and whisk it thoroughly. For a smoother texture of omelette, let me strain the whisked eggs. I am using in all 6 eggs for this recipe. Let me season it. First, let me add required amount of salt, followed by required amount of black pepper. Then I'll be adding a little amount of vinegar to get rid of any eggy odor. I have finely chopped green onion, let me include that. Then I have diced 1/4 of a carrot, let me include that. I have already diced green, yellow and red bell peppers. If you want, you can add a bit of chopped mushrooms or chopped sausage. The possibilities are endless for this versatile recipe. I have heated a round pan. I'll be adding little amount of cooking oil and spreading it throughout the pan. Then I'll add the prepared egg mixture. Instead of using the traditional Tamagoyaki pan, I'm using a round frying pan. Once the egg is half done, I will just loosen it from one end and start rolling it as shown. Then I'll push the rolled omelette towards one corner of the pan and then add little amount of cooking oil again, followed by adding the egg mixture. Throughout the process, the flame should be maintained low. Once you can see the egg has started to coagulate, it is the right time to roll it. The process of rolling the egg and pouring the egg mixture continues till I use up all the mixture. This snack is not only rich in taste, but it is also rich in nutrients. Eggs are a superfood containing all the essential amino acids, and it is very good source of vitamin D as well. Once the omelette is ready, it is the time to transfer it to a chopping board and allowing it to cool for a couple of minutes. Then I'll trim out the edge and start slicing it. Once it cools down, you can see the layers separately. Enjoy it with a cup of your favorite tea and put up your comments regarding this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes.